In this video, I'll be telling about sprinkler heads. Sprinkler head was invented in 1874 by Henry S. Parmalee. And there are mainly two types of sprinkler heads. One is quad-sided bulb type, and second one is fusible solder type sprinkler head. And I'll be explaining the operation and parts. It's a diagram of quad-sided bulb type sprinkler head. It is a threaded portion by which we are screwing in that the sprinkler head to the pipeline, and there is a spring in this orifice. And there is a spring, there is a gasket, and valve assembly. There is a cap which is stopping the water to fall in, and this is the quad-sided bulb. This quad-sided bulb, and then there is a cone. It is supporting the bulb, and it is a deflector. So this is a quad-sided bulb type sprinkler head. This quad-sided bulb contains a glycerin-based liquid, and it is having a air bubble too. As the temperature increases, the liquid inside this quad-sided bulb, bulb expands, and that size of the air bubble will be reducing, and finally it will disappear. On further increase of the temperature, when it reaches the predetermined temperature, this quad-sided bulb will break, and this cap will open, and this water from here will fall onto the deflector, and the water will be distributed evenly. This is operation of a quad-sided bulb type sprinkler head. This is a yoke. From the color of the bulb, quad-sided bulb, we can find out at which temperature the sprinkler head operates. The sprinkler head which operates at 57 degrees Celsius, the color of the bulb will be orange. The sprinkler head bulb operates at 68 degrees Celsius, the color of the bulb will be red. The sprinkler head operates at 79 degrees Celsius, the color of the bulb will be yellow. And the sprinkler head operates at 93 degrees Celsius, the color of the bulb will be green. And the sprinkler head which operates at 141 degrees Celsius, the color of the bulb will be blue. The sprinkler head which operates at 182 degrees Celsius, the color of the bulb will be mauve. And the sprinkler head which operates at 204 to 260 degrees centigrade, in that range, the color of the bulb will be black. The types of sprinkler heads are conventional pattern, spray pattern, sealing or flush pattern, recessed pattern, concealed pattern, and sidewall pattern. This is fusible solder type sprinkler head. That is a threaded portion, and this is a yoke which is supporting that deflector is fitted with that. And in between these parts are there. There is a glass valve and cap, then one strut, one key, and one hook. All these three parts are fitted here with the support, and one soldering part is also holding all these three items together. When that predetermined temperature reaches, that fusible solder will melt, and all these parts will fall apart, and the water will come through this orifice and fall onto that deflector, and it will be distributed. That's the operating principle of fusible solder type sprinkler head. In another model, it is having a same yoke, deflector, and orifice, and threaded portion, and there is a disc and gunmetal valve. Then there is an upper cantilever member, lower cantilever member, and fusible link. These all things are fitted in between, and when it reaches the predetermined temperature, the fusible link will melt, and all these parts will fall apart, and water will fall through this orifice and fall onto the deflector and get distributed. The third type is having a gasket with a valve, one key, solder, and heat collector, and strut. Same yoke and deflector is same, and the threaded portion is also same. We have a soft metal gasket and valve which form the watertight joint are supported by a soft metal strut. It is retained in position so long as the hemispherical key remains held to the heat collector by the special solder used for this purpose. During a fire, the temperature of the heat collector rises until the solder melts to release the key. As the temperature increases, the solder metal will melt, then the key will be released. The hook and key then spring outwards, and together with the strut, valve and gasket are thrown clear to allow the discharge of water onto the deflector. And the water will, from the orifice, it will fall onto the deflector and it will be distributed. This is the third type of fusible solder type sprinkler head. With the help of the color of the yoke, we can understand at which temperature that fusible solder type sprinkler head operates. At 68 degree to 74 degree Celsius, it is uncolored. The yoke color will be uncolored. No, there will be no color. And from 93 to 100 degree Celsius, it will be white in color. And at 141 degree centigrade, that sprinkler head which operates, the yoke color will be blue. The sprinkler head which operates at 182 degree Celsius, the color of the yoke will be yellow. At the sprinkler head which operates at 227 degrees Celsius, the color of the yoke will be red. It is multiple control in which water comes from here, and there is only one bulb. It may be of any type. It is fusible solder type or squat side bulb type. When it operates, as per the required temperature, when it operates, the water will be supplied to all these places, and it all simultaneously operates, and all this area will be covered. The water will fall onto all this full area. This is called multiple control. In this video, I have explained about the sprinkler heads, that is squat side bulb type and fusible solder type sprinkler heads. And I hope it will be useful for you. And those who are not subscribed so far, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you will get many videos, more videos from construction safety, industrial safety and the fire and safety. And please press the bell button below also so that you will get the notification. Thank you very much. Thank you.